something that local Americans need to know more about plants.
And we're going to help you out.
Let's get started.
And we have Cassie.
And here we have Ashley Johnson.
And here we have Kristen.
Should I stand there and then...
And here we have Lexi.
Here's a little bit about bryophytes. They include mosses, liverworts, and hornworts. They are generally small plants, are constantly in moist environments, they use diffusion, and are non-vascular plants.
I'm going to talk about angiosperms. Angiosperms are flowers that produce seeds. There's two types, monocots and dicots. Monocots are single seed plants and they have multiples of 3 petals. The veins are parallel in the leaves. Then there's the dicots, which are multiple seed plants, and they have 4 or 5 petals. The vascular tissue appear in rings. It also has a netted venation, which means the leaf has a center vein with veins branching out of it.
I'm going to be talking about gymnosperms. Gymnosperms are a seed-producing group that includes conifers, cycads, ginkgo, and nettles. The term comes from the Greek word meaning naked seed because of the unenclosed condition. This is in contrast to seeds and ovules of flowering plants, which are enclosed in the ovary.
The next group of plants we're going to talk about is pterophytes. Now these are typically known as ferns, but can also include club mosses, horsetails, and whisk ferns. Now these are seedless plants, so that means you'll find spores on the back of the leaves. They also are vascular, and these days they're small, but in the past they were generally quite large. Now don't go looking in your gardens for these plants because you can't find them there. But you can check out your local conservation district or the woods around your house, and they'll probably be found there.
Monocots and dicots are types of angiosperms. A lily of a valley is considered a monocot because it has groupings of 3 leaves and parallel veins. A marsh marigold is a dicot because it has groupings of 4 to 5 leaves and it has 1 main vein.
A type of gymnosperm is a pine. A pine is classified as a gymnosperm because of its open seed structure that is not enclosed within the ovary.
A Boston fern is a type of pterophyte because it has spores on its leaves, is vascular, and the spores mean it's seedless, and it is quite small.
Thanks for tuning in
To our special On Plants, signing out.